Can plants really save a toxic waterway? The floating wetlands say yes. The Gowanus Canal in Brooklyn was once infamous for its filth, industrial waste, sewage, you name it. Enter the floating wetlands, a game-changing project using nature to clean nature. So picture this, floating rafts filled with native plants whose roots dangle into the water, acting like natural filters. These roots absorb pollutants, provide oxygen, and foster beneficial bacteria that break down contaminants. But it doesn't stop there. These floating gardens attract wildlife, creating a mini ecosystem that further cleans and revitalizes the canal. Not only is the water cleaner, but the area is cooler, more biodiverse, and visually stunning. The floating wetlands of the Gowanus Canal prove that nature-based solutions can tackle even the toughest environmental challenges. It's a model of sustainability, transforming urban waterways worldwide. Our nature really does have all the answers.